Hello everyone, I'm Pasang Lamo from Kamba TV. So Minyang's farming culture is very famous and its traditions is very unique, and the farming culture has a long history. So today we have Mr. Renzhen Dojie, who is a specialist in Minyang's farming culture. So let's go inside and to explore more.
Tangan doji na tanang atso na manyak ke taneng atso ke taji yilen da taji manyak ke taneng na homa ke tujeri ne da choma na ke tmiji go nyoban da dari nyoban thong nyoban da tanda na tio talan na ke choma la oh ya
tande na phache shimbi go de yoshe go kol ring are
re tanda yishi ke taneng atso niman na la te yimo khan na nzo la tengorya taneng atso go nzo chachi ke taneng go ke la rajo ke tini gane taneng da ke nonchani tari ke da ke pothon da ta na taneng atso go yinga taneng lo nyashi din da la nyashi da la nyate da la na tha oh ta tanda din atso go mi ki urya te.
So basically this is to like tie the yak or nzomo to plow the field. So this is the thread used to tie this on Nzomo's neck. So it is called nyashin in Tibetan.
Yeah. Tandali na tongziria. Tani nga tsugo saya la nyumuzo sa. Tani nga tsugo potong. Tani ndala na tongda, ndralit, tongsos. Tanda na nanjas. Oh ya, ndala na tena pashi ziri.
Pashi.
Ko pashi ndana nenga chibuchiri. Andala nga tsugo saya zungkin danda. Ta muzuki zasandanda. Tandango ni nga tsugo tena chencho tongor. Oh ya.
So these are the different grains that they plant. Rande patsonga so ndevjite sore ajari.
Riri nangare atro ni se edin tanda din mi tani yori. Oh ya.
This is a flour and this is barley and this is beans.
Resi masis. Tanda tu tanjing atu mala toni tani lale pani tani nezi jita tanda ndachiri onre. Danda ina nezi ya. Tanda ina dan ne ninga su nima nanda ina tani jama chasa kan same chabezi ra. Anda korela tani tasong ina jama tori ki chichunde.
This is a tool to use to win the barley flour. So this is 2 jings in one bottle.
Yeah. Andanda ina ndala tacha na dandana tachuga nono transaga dononi jani ta andaga taga balan rumu sala mala jan tami tamba tacha dalan the guslan in the Kubaka balan and the jan mala dandasa koga are and that's zini and Kubaka zin
the kachichon the kota and the santu
santulan the chibuda and the choncho tana on the choncho klesa.
This is for thin pieces and this is to weave thick pieces, so they're different.
Tashi oh yeah. And the son don't let the nitty deseg la chan in the summer. The sogi la chan. Then I even a taki on the Anatoki. Dabandoni Tarilata, Jadani, Satan, and Rikis and Dokala, Nahumanatan, Cheesy Jew. That G. That took it on a Chatola, like Kunjur. That the Consacati, Chitanjik, Lankala, Latin, Amundo, Skigatane, Matic, Jimaza, and this Zamazana Conjopa and Doros, the Then I not an Tara in it. Came out at the Ningas on Zon Zomo Tanchila. You can Sama Wuchi Gorecola. The Ningas in Donald and Salas of a unit in a Kanomala Lucia and Dylan Teres.
To feed the yaks, livestock salt, and that is the where you put the salt inside. It's a horn. Did I just
came out at you? The name of the Nitago Gora. Sagura, Goa.
And the Goa graduate.
Really,
Many such and they teach them.
Read that and the Talayon, the Talayon, Chitala Pemba, you Gitan Roca, that Rogo, that Tangin Bala, and Nicona. Tani tato sola la komba ga labu makasada ta tanda ga chichu mambo na kola chichu ya. Ndala na to ga tani san tang ga khano la. Sanda tang kako sare ta kanan do go. Do so jile ga tani zora ndala nda yuwa riya tani sima chi sa. Senjo.
So these are the different kinds of knives to cut to harvest.
These
are the different saddles. This is horse's saddle, and this is a yak saddle. They are used when you transport and move from place to place. 신발라 용 칸기지요래.
요린 전자요리 내기 고려 딱한데 나타는 네팔로 토산기 요말라기 전에 지지라 소자가 긴로지는 전자요도.
So for farmers, they transport to carry the barley flour from the field to their homes.
Yeah. 난도 또 딱히 그.
땅만 야부 정도.
농쇼. zonda kisa temu Maria. She tell a kigona. Nicola, Nicola can take
Very special one. This is like a specially made bag for cooking utensils. So when farmers move from a place to another place to different pastures, this is to put your cooking utensils inside, so that the cooking utensils will be safe and sound, will not be destroyed on the way. This is to store water inside, and this is to store milk inside. And these are the different spoons. These three different sizes churning tool is to make butter from milk. So you churn like this. This is for tea, to make like butter tea, and these two are to make butter.
Oh yeah, Lotus is on the Chandaki in Anatsuka, Jilent and Rolek, Somag, yeah, girl, two, she's the two of the Latini, and then she always Chandaki Dragu, Gashashi to Mala, Taninola Tigudu. Tana Toshashi to Ruri Shugu in it, and the Goni Tani Choma, Ningaso Jilent Rolek, Lake and Jingola Kamala.
So it's very interesting that farmers in Monyao, they also move from pastures to pastures, so they rotate. It is very different from other areas. In other areas, farmers mostly stay in one place, and also farmers in the Monyao area, they have so many tools, laboring tools, and they're very smart, and they even have different knives for different usage. So it's really interesting.